Have you ever wanted to design your life to work with nature instead of against it?
Well, if so, you're already thinking about the heart of permaculture, and it's all built on three really simple core ethics. These three ideas are kind of like a roadmap for creating systems that are not just sustainable, but actually regenerative. They are earth care, people care, and fair share. Okay, so let's start with the foundation of it all, earth care. This is all about recognizing that our planet, it's the source of all life. So we have a responsibility to minimize our impact, to protect our amazing wildlife, and to actively help our ecosystems bounce back and thrive.
But here's the thing. Permaculture isn't just about trees and soil. It's about us too. And that brings us to the second ethic, people care.
I mean, think about it. We can't truly take care of the earth if we don't take care of each other first. People care is all about building strong communities where everyone has access to the basics. We're talking healthy food, clean water, and a safe, supportive place to call home. And, to make sure everyone's needs are met, not just now, but for generations to come, we really have to embrace this final ethic, fair share. So this ethic is pretty straightforward. It recognizes that the Earth's resources are finite, so it's about being mindful, taking only what we need, and then sharing any surplus we might have. That could be extra food from the garden, or even our time and skills, anything to enrich our communities and invest in a better future.
So there you have it, earth care, people care, and fair share. Three ethics that all work together. I'm really curious, which one of these do you find the easiest to practice in your day-to-day life? Let me know down in the comments.